Hello everybody. As you can see, I have layout of most of the pony wedding toys I have reviewed, because this is a very special video. I can't fit Laura in there. I'll bring her out later. Why have I been reviewing all these wedding toys? Was it just because out of sheer randomness? Oh no, I had a purpose behind this. I figured if I was going to buy all of these toys, I may as well have a lead up to something. And that something is a very big something. Oh god, it's so big. The actual castle wedding set. Now, as you can see, this is a drawing. This isn't the actual product. The product itself is right there in the corner. And actually, it does come with shining armor and cadence, which is pretty sweet. It's a big box. I got a picture on the back here. Let's see. There's words up here. Princess Cadence and Shining Armor are getting married at the castle. Ponies from all over Equestria can't wait to go to the royal wedding. Let's see what else we can look at. Twilight, Rainbow Dash, Fluttershy, and Pinkie Pie are not included. Only those two and the actual wedding set. Now, castle door opens. The swings. Spin the butterfly. It's pretty nice. Okay, so what do we have? Includes castle playset unassembled. Oh no! Bride and groom pony figures, butterfly, comb, 2 teacups, teapot, wedding cake, table, bouquet, piano, purse, tuxedo, groom crown, the bride crown, dress, 2 rings, necklace, chandelier, and sticker labels. Whoa, this thing is jam-packed with stuff. Now, I guess the only logical thing to do would be to open this now. And that's just what I'm gonna do. Not even tape. Oh, wait, actually, there is one thing of tape right here. Sections. Oh, cool! They're different styled ponies. That's it for the box. And these are accessories. The sticker labels aren't in there. They're here. Okay. And it actually did come with a wedding booklet. There's instructions on how to put it together, which I will keep out in case I need this, because I remember one time I tried doing something like this and it just didn't work out at all. So, let's get this out of the way. Let's get what's in this box. These are all the parts I need. probably review this as I go along, just so I don't have like a half an hour worth of video. Though I don't mind that. I just would like to know that I won't fill up space on my iPad. Now this, I'm assuming, is a thing. Oh, that's the top. What do I do first? Step 1. Oh, it wants me to put the bridge. This thing. The door. The door to the castle. Okay, and that goes somewhere. Where does that go? They can't be the right thing. Oh, wow, that's interesting. I know where this goes. Okay, let me get a look at this. What do I need? It shows me what I need. Okay. It's not showing what it actually looks like, but it's showing this, and then this goes. Oh, mother. Did I cut myself? No? Okay. That hurt. I want to keep my fingers away from this because apparently it's dangerous. You may see some blood during this review. If so, I'll put a warning. Or I'll let you know before I show it on screen. No, nothing yet. Just red. Okay. Now, I need those things. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? That actually really hurts. Is this it? Is this what I need? Is this... Yep, this looks like what I need. Okay, I have this so far. Looking kind of nice, isn't it? Step 2 is the staircase. Staircase. Gotta put the, this is the staircase. Put the, what? Okay. Okay, I'm putting the, this thing on. Easier if I got onto the side here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, staircase. And that hooks into this part right there. Oh, that's the table, isn't it? Okay. I don't think I have enough room here to show off this castle. That's going to be pretty tight fit there. Okay, I'll pull the camera back if I need to. Camera, what am I talking about? It's an iPad. Step 3 is the bench swing. Oh, this is going to be fun. Not to mention the fact that I tore the bag open. Let's see. Okay, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? You guys having fun? But you guys are. I'm not. Where's the swing? I took all the parts out. They're everywhere here. Oh, it's over here. There's the swing. And then I need... I like how they don't show you what you need clearly. Okay. Need these squiggly things. I'm pretty sure that is the swing. Oh. I see. I see what they're doing. Okay, and then this one would go over here. Hook into that. And then this side here would be used for a barrel. And that hooks somewhere. Oh, you need this thing. And that hooks onto the top of this right here. Come on. There we go. There it is. Okay. Now that goes. That snaps. I'm guessing. I lifted the whole castle up. Get into place, you fool! There we go. Got a swinging swing now. Kind of. I don't think it's snapped in all the way, but it's as good as it's gonna get right now. Isn't that nice? Pretty nice, right? Let's see if I can push some of this stuff back. Then I can move the camera back. And you can see more of what's going on here. Okay, there's the castle. So far. Now, where's my instructions? I lost my instructions. Here they are. Okay, I got the swing. Step 4 is the towers. This. That just... Oh, that's pretty sweet. This snaps into there, and the butterfly thing, wherever that is. No, the sun thing. Oh, there's two different, they go up. I don't know if it really matters, but in this thing. Actually, there's two of these, and they snap into this. Now, those are the towers. Archway and towers. That thing, and I had this thing. Don't break. If you break, I will kill all of you. Yeah, see, it's scared of me. It's working now. Okay, I scared it. Now I gotta raise this So you can see what I'm doing up on top. That simply just, I'm guessing it just snaps into place. Would I be wrong to assume that? Probably. I'm wrong about everything. I think it's showing me this way. But then again, it could be showing me this way. Oh. Where's the box? Where's the big box? I want to look at the box. No, it goes the other way. It does go this way. It goes in there, I know it, I've seen it. There we go. Yes! Victory! Okay. Whoa. Ah. Please be easier. Don't, no, you're gonna give me trouble too, huh? You give me trouble too? Not in the mood for this. Do it! Do it, you fool! Do it! Okay, I got that tower on after trouble. So the thing that's causing me is trouble. I am now slipping the other one on. This has been really fun to build, I think. Going on to almost 20 minutes here. Props to you if you're still watching this. Towers and archways. And that's when I stick on the horns. Okay, they slant upwards a bit. Okay. good as it's gonna get. Now, the chandelier. Oh, it just hangs. See in there? Stupid butterfly. Where's the stupid butterfly? Stupid butterfly. Maybe it doesn't like the fact that I'm calling it stupid and it's hiding on me. Which isn't a good thing because I need it. Well, it's got to be one of these little things somewhere. Come on, where are you? Come on, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Not in there. Okay. Piano. Did it fall into this mess of ponies I have over here? Everything exploded this way when I opened the bag. Maybe I don't need the butterfly. Maybe the butterfly can sit this wedding out. Does the butterfly like that idea? Do you like that idea, Mr. Butterfly? Where'd you go? You can't talk it out because it's a toy. You gotta find it. I used the wrong things, apparently. Where else do those go? Oh. This goes under the stairs, but I think I lost the butterfly. Wait, no, wait. I've located the butterfly. But you can't see it. It's up there. See it up there? Okay, that's nice. Now, everything else is apart. This goes under there somewhere. Okay, that works. Anyway, there's a couple other stuff here. Not sure why the top of the cake comes off. I guess maybe if you want a smaller cake. Teapot. Comes with its own piano. Purse. Comes with crowns. I think that's different crown. Oh no, they're both crowns. Okay. Comes Comes with their wedding rings. God, I can only find one. You need 2 wedding rings. Well, there's 1 wedding ring. Looks like the wedding will have to be postponed because I only have 1 ring, which is not good because these 2 need to be married. I was hoping one of them would be holding their ring, but they're not. I guess they trust the person putting the castle together to not lose said ring, like me. But it's around here somewhere. Oh well, I'll find it. I'll find it eventually. Probably not now. I'll do an update later. Anyway, this table has to go somewhere. Does it just sit? Does it just sit somewhere? I didn't see a thing. Anyway, that about finishes that. Now, little tea set there. It's got all of their stuff. Oh no, what was that? Why'd you do that? What was that about? Okay, yeah. The table just sits there. Guess you could put like the cake on it too, like that. Cake's supposed to go in the back somewhere, like there. There we go. That, take the teacups off. Now we can look at the bride and the groom. About time. Got the stupid castle to put together. I might have a link in the video where you can skip ahead to when the castle's done. So I'd be lying if I said that didn't take a while. About what? Almost a half an hour. Huh. He's got a funny looking hairdo, and his head's actually sculpted differently, which is nice. He's also got hoof marks, which is pretty sweet. And I think his crown would probably be the purple one. I think, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be the purple one? They're both supposed to be purple. One's red. I'll give Cadence the red one. But anyway, there's shining armor.